to physical science. So we're going to calculate the electronegativity and the type bands. So calculate the electronegativity difference and give the type bands that exist between the atom and each of the following. So eto, paano natin i-calculate daw yung type of band or the electronegativity difference of an atom. So we need here the following electronegativity values and of course the band base. So dito sa type of band natin, ang magiging result kapag ka 1.7 up, nandito tayo sa ionic. At kapag naman polar band, under tayo ng 0.5 to 1.6. And non-polar is yung 0.4 below. So ngayon, subukan natin. Paano ba natin malalaman yung electronegativity difference of an atom? So meron tayong molecule number 1 here. Okay? So ang molecule number 1 natin is NaCl. So hahanapin natin the electronegativity of Na dito. So dito makikita natin ano nga ba ang electronegativity ng ating Na. So nasa na ang ating Na? Na natin, okay, so this one is 0.9. 0.9. Okay, next one is the chlorine. Our chlorine is 3.0. Okay, so ito po yung chlorine natin. 3.0. Okay. So ngayon, ima-minus lang natin siya. Pero dapat lagi natin uunahin the highest para hindi mag-negative yung result. So, ang mangyayari dyan, 3.0 minus 0.9. Okay? So, what is your answer? For that, ang answer nyo ay 2.1. Okay? Kasi 0.9 lang yung nabawas. So, natira na yung 2.1. So, ang 2.1 natin is under what type of band dito? So, kung 2.1 siya, ibig sabihin, andito siya sa 1.7 pataas. Kasi nga, 2.1 siya. So, siya ay under ng ionic. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the sodium chloride na molecule natin, ang type of band niya is ionic. Okay? So, that is how you calculate the electronegativity difference. Next one, okay, try uli natin itong number 2. So, number 2 natin is NH or the nitrogen and the hydrogen. So, hanapin uli natin, ano ba ang electronegativity ng ating nitrogen? So, hanapin dito natin. Okay, yan. So, makikita natin, the nitrogen is 3.0. And then, ang hydrogen naman natin ay 2.1. Okay, so ima-minus lang uli natin siya. So, 3.0 minus 2.1 is 0.9. 0.9, okay? So, ang 0.9 is under of what type of band? So, hanapin natin dito. So, andito siya papasok sa 0.5 to 1.6 kasi 0.9 siya. So, siya ay under ng polar covalent band. Okay, so ang NH natin ay under ng polar covalent. Okay, so let's try another one here. Number 3 is CH or yung ating carbon and hydrogen. So carbon natin, hanapin natin dito yung carbon. Carbon natin is 2.5. At ang hydrogen naman natin ay 2.1. Okay, so yun yung ating hydrogen. So 2.1 uli siya. So, ima-minus lang uli natin. So, ilan ang natira? 0.4. Okay? So, ang 0.4 natin, so papasok na siya ng non-polar covalent band kasi below. So, ito ay non-polar covalent band. Okay? So, what about the hydrogen? So, 2 hydrogen. So, 2.1. Hydrogen natin. So, ito yung ating hydrogen. And 2.1. So, ima-minus lang ulit natin. Score is 0. So, kapag 0, under pa rin siya ng non-polar covalent band. Kasi nga, below 0.4. Okay, so siya ay non-polar covalent band. Okay, so last one is hydrogen and oxygen. So hydrogen natin is 2.1 again. Then ang ating oxygen naman ay 3.5. Okay, so 3.5 po yan. So nung minus na natin ang 2.1, so unahin natin lagi natin yung highest. So 3.5 minus 2.1 is 1.4. Okay, so 1.4. Okay, so ang 1.4 natin is under ng polar covalent band. Okay, so this is how you calculate the electronegativity difference. So this one is a challenge. So I challenge you na you have to answer this para malaman natin ang ating electronegativity difference of these molecules. Okay? So for the answer, we are going to check tama ba yung inyong na-compute. Okay? So ito dapat yung magiging score. Ito ay dapat yung magiging answer for your question. So the ionic band, non-polar, polar covalent, and polar covalent. Okay, so here is your challenge. So answer the electronegativity and classify the band. Challenge number 1. Okay, so a small difference in electronegativity can change everything. So just like a small choices in life. Happy learning, everyone.